guys, today I am going to show you how to transfer PKG files to your PS4 using three easy methods. First is USB, second is FTP, the third will be DirectPackageInstaller. So DirectPackageInstaller is also use FTP but in a faster way. So I'll show you the first method. So first one, I'll copy my PKG file into my USB stick. So you need a PKG file which will be your game file. So you will just copy the PKG file to your external hard disk or any external drive, and after finishing the copying, you will directly plug in to your PS4. So your PS4 must be the hack version. So you need to enable the gold hand into your PS4. I'll show you in some other video how to enable gold hand if you are having a 9.0 or below PS4. So I'll go to the gold hand, I'll go to debug setting, package installer. There is my game. After finishing the installer, you can run the game directly. So I will not play the game right now. I'll close it and I'll delete the file just for your reference, and I'll install it again using a different method. So there will be FTP. So for FTP, you need to share your internet connection to your PS4 using a LAN cable. So you can directly connect the LAN cable to your PS4 and to your PC or laptop, whatever. So guys, once you are connected to the internet, just go to the network setting. Go to change adapter option. So this is my PS4 connection using LAN, and this is the network I am using right now. So I'll go to properties. I'll go to sharing over here, allow this computer to share network, and go to PS4. PS4 in the sense I have renamed it. You can also rename as you like. So press OK. Now we'll go and test our internet connection in our PS4. Go to network. Yes, internet connection. Now very successfully connected, as you can see. Now we'll go to our debug setting and go to our server setting, and we'll enable and disable once more so that we can use the FTP properly. Again enable it, we'll disable the pin loader as well, again enable it. So we are ready for FTP right now. We'll go and check our IP address so that we can connect it through the FTP using FileZilla. So FileZilla is a software which you can download. So I'll put the link in the description. So I'll go to view connection status. I'll open the FileZilla. In this case, you will be needing one more application in your PS4. So that is internal package installer. So that software you can download it from online, Google or something. I'll provide a link as well. So here in the host, I'll type my IP address. So my IP address is over here 192.168.137.164. So let the username be empty, password be empty. The port number will put 2121 is a default. So it's showing some connection error right now. Yes, I can see 192.168.137.164. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll establish a transfer new tab. Okay, I'll go to my PS4 and I'll disable my server once more. Again, enable it. Okay, now I'll make it again. Now there it is. You can see it is successfully connected. So I'll go to data folder. In data folder, I'll copy the game file. I mean the PKG file. As you can see, it's copying. You can see my speed as well. So the transfer is finished. So to install the game by using internal package installer, you need to rename the file. As it is a big file name, the application will not recognize the PKG file if you don't rename it. So I'll show you a demo. So I have launched the internal package installer and nothing is showing right now. So what I'll do is I'll just go here, rename it as 1.pkg, enter. Again I'll relaunch the app. So I have to close the app properly. Okay, there it is. The download has been started. It has been added to the download list. You can see it, it's already installed. So in that case, you'll be having the PKG file as well as game file in your storage, hard disks or anything which you are using PS4. So they will consume more storage. So you can delete the PKG file after installing the game. So if it is a large file, it will take lots of time. I'll close this application and delete it again, so that I can use the third method to install the application. So basically I prefer the third method, so that is easy and fast and storage saving method. So I'll close the FileZilla right now and I'll use a third method. For third method, you will be needing one software which is called PKGInstaller. So PKGInstaller, and you don't need any kind of software if you are using Gold Hand version 2.2.4. So it has automatically enabled the BinLoader server over here. As you can see, enable BinLoader server. So I'll go and open the DirectPackageInstaller. So here it is. I'll open it and select my PKG file. So I'll go desktop. So here is my PKG file. I'll load it and install. So this error is showing because I have not refreshed my BinLoader server. So refresh in the sense, you just need to go to the server setting and disable it and again enable it and go to your PC and install again. So now as you can see, the package has been set and payload has been received from this IP address. So added to download list, as you can see. So this is done. Now we can launch the game, and that's it guys. If you have any doubt regarding transferring file or regarding any PS4 related issues, you can comment below. I'll definitely help you out, and I'll try to keep my video simple as much as possible. Thank you.